Opportunities multiply as they are seized. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet. The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. All men can see these tactics whereby I conquer, but what none can see is the strategy out of which victory is evolved. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. In war, the way is to avoid what is strong and to strike at what is weak. He who knows when he can fight and when he cannot will be victorious. Know yourself and know your enemy, and you will not be imperiled in 100 battles. Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak. The opportunity to secure ourselves against defeat lies in our own hands, but the opportunity of defeating the enemy is provided by the enemy himself.